In lesson 17, in a group I, we will change the I line to A line and add nai in the end of the word nakushimasu to nakusanai, nashimasu to nasanai, kaishamasu to kahinanai, nogimasu to noganai, motekaimasu to motekanai, nonimasu to nomanai, hairimasu to hairanai, and owarimasu to owaranai. However, if the verb word has an I syllables before the mas, the conjugation that will be used will be different from others. The I form will be changed into wa form. Some of the example are kaimasu to kawanai, aimasu to awanai, haramais to harawanai, and chokaimasi to chokawanai. In group 2, we will change the mas into nai. Obeimasu to obowenai, wasuraimasu to wasuranai, dekakamasu to dekakanai, takimasu to takinai, tabimasu to tabinai, and mimasu to minai. In group 3, shimasu becomes shinai, but for verbs that start with ki, will change into ko for better pronunciation. Motekimasu becomes motekinai. Shinpai shimasu to shinpai shinai, and zangyoshimasu to zangyoshinai. In lesson 18 for group 1, we will change the syllable before mas that is in the I line to U line. Araimasu to aru, ikimasu to iku, hanashimasu to hanas, and yomimasu to yomu. In group 2, we will change the mas to ru, dekimasu to dekiru, atsumeasu to atsumeru, sotemaru to tosoteru, taimasu to tairu, abimasu to abiru, and tabimasu to tabiru. In group 3, shimasu will become suru and kimasu becomes kuru. Shimasu to suru, kimasu to kuru, onte shimasu to onte suru, yoyaku shimasu to yoyakuru, benkyo shimasu to benkyo suru. Form, polite form. Used in a polite or formal situations. Verbs end in such as tabimasu, for to eat, often used in professional settings with strangers or when showing respect. Dictionary form, also known as the plain form. This is the basic form of the verb. For example, taberu, for to eat. Form, negative form, used to express negation, constructed by adding nai to the dictionary form of the verb. For example, tabinai, for not to eat. Each form has its own context and usage, depending on the situation and level of formality.